I need you guys to comment down below and give me a thumbs up if you do like these quick tip videos. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So I am bringing the quick tips back, so I thought I would give you another quick tip. Like I said earlier, if you like these videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's how I know if you do like these videos. So I thought I would give you guys a quick tip is if you don't have any blush, so let's say you're going out and you forgot your blush, because I know it's happened to me. A quick tip is use your lipstick as your blush. So lipstick and cream blushes are actually made out of the same base, which is wax. So yeah, and that is my quick tip for you. Thank you so much for watching. I upload videos every Friday and my social media is over here. If you want to catch me on my last quick tip video, it is over here. And if you want to subscribe, you can point to my face right here. Like I said, I upload videos every Friday and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.